Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Partiful. So Partiful is particularly useful for individuals who are hosting events, parties, etc. So I've been using it for a couple of years now and it's been absolutely phenomenal. I mainly use it for planning sporting events, usually basketball games or volleyball games or park days. And so with Partiful, once you log on, this is what your homepage looks like. So you can see upcoming events, hosting events, open invite events, attended events, and all past events. So if I click on new event, we're just going to create an example event here. So let's call this test event. And then you set the date here as far as when the event is happening. So we'll say that it's happening tomorrow at 7:15 p.m. And with that, you can also even set an end time. Let's say our party's only 3 hours long. So with that, it's tomorrow, 7:15 to 10:15 p.m. Now you could add co-hosts. If someone is co-hosting the party with you, they'll be able to adjust the settings here, set invites, send blast messages as well. I normally set the max capacity to a certain number of spots, so let's say 40 spots, and you can enable a wait list. The cost per person, I normally adjust this once I get a final head count of how many people are actually attending the party in case we need to split the cost of a court rental, for example. Now the description of the event, this is where you can add things like what to wear, you can add rules, you can add what to bring, and then you could also ask or add what to expect. So that's up to you to decide and such. Now as far as these quick actions go, Partiful does a really good job at sending reminders. And so once you set up your event, you'll actually have the ability to text everyone without creating like a group chat, for example. So Partiful is really good in that aspect as far as keeping up everyone up to date with what's happening with your event. Now this RSV options, this is what people are going to react to your event for. So you can set it to be kind of more thematic. So let's say if you set it to a turkey, the reactions remain the same. So it's either going, maybe going, or can't go. So this is what people will be reacting as far as who you send the invite to. Now, if we actually click on Save Draft, you'll see that this is our test event, and this is what it looks like, okay? So once your party does happen, you can actually upload photos here, photos of the event. You can see how many spots are left. I didn't set the location, but you'll be able to do that as well. And so with that, this is the link that you would actually send to someone to invite them to the party. And then the text blast here on the right hand side, if you click on text blast, you're going to be able to actually go ahead and text everyone if you need to send them reminders or update them on something regarding your party. But that is essentially how you use Partiful. So to share the event, again, URL or click on this invite button. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually use Partiful, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.